How's it going, guys? Welcome back to another video here in Bangkok. Today's video, I'm going to be exploring the Central World Square area. You see those pink tuk-tuks over there? So I'm actually going to go through this building, go to the Big C, and then go to the pink tuk-tuks and check that out, and then maybe walk around this area. So hang out with me for the day. Make sure and subscribe if you haven't already. I release videos every 2 days, so stay tuned for that. Let's get this adventure started. Okay, so I'm gonna make my way up these escalators here, and there's gonna be a see-through glass, and you're gonna be able to see everything. All right, let's go through this little hallway here. So look at the view outside. Check out the view. You can see the pink tuk-tuks over there. I wonder what that is. It's got to be some kind of Valentine's thing. And yeah, this is inside Central World. This is huge mall. This is just like a little walkway to get to the other side very easily. But it's got a good view. This is also one of my favorite malls because it's just so big and it has a lot of food throughout the entire mall. And it's also very well decorated. All the malls here in Bangkok are very well decorated. So you can get a better look of those pink tuk-tuks. Not sure what that's all about, but we'll find out soon. I love the glass view because you can see everything. And over there is a Big C. Now that is the biggest Big C here in Bangkok, and it is right next to Central World, a mall you should definitely check out. Big C. So we are probably about halfway there. So we are going to exit Central World, make our way over to Big C, maybe go inside, do a little bit of shopping, show you guys what that's like, and then we're gonna come back out and maybe finish the video around those pink tuk-tuks. I like these little platforms they have here. You can step up on them and get a nice view. Sometimes the square is filled with people because there's performances going on. There's nothing now, but if you saw one of my last videos, Christmas in Bangkok, this entire area was filled with it was like a Christmas town. Very nice. Let's make our way over here. So this is a food section area, and this is one of many food section areas here in this mall in Central World. You can get a better view of Big C here. So yeah, that's the biggest Big C in Thailand. It's got a couple of floors. It's got a little bit of everything from food, clothing, grocery shopping obviously, and a lot of other things. So let's find an exit and make our way over there. Look at that. Amazing. Okay, so I am inside Central World. I gotta find the stairs that go down so I can make my way downstairs and exit. But while we're here, let's check out some of the interesting stuff. See, there's all kinds of food here. And again, this is just one section of food. There's a lot more. I'll have to do a separate video on this, but yeah, guys, it's amazing. I don't want to see anyone complain that there is no food here in Bangkok or in Thailand, because there is. There just absolutely is. Let's make our way down here. Yeah, this mall is by far maybe the second biggest. I think Icon Siam might be the first biggest, but correct me if I'm wrong, if someone, one of you guys knows. Let me know which mall is the biggest. Which mall do you think is the biggest? I think it might be Icon Siam. This one might be second or third. I used to think this was the first, the biggest mall, but after exploring Icon Siam, it's definitely not the case. Icon Siam is probably bigger than this. Okay, let's make our way out of the Central World Mall. And you can see the big sea over there across from Central World. So let's check that out. Yeah, the way, I guess whoever designed this area, Central World, right across from this big sea it's a genius, because this looks like a big deal. Like, it's a big attraction. How big this mall is, it's like a little square, and that is a little market. We won't go inside right now, but that is a market where you can find all kinds of Thai stuff, or food, desserts, snacks. So we're gonna make our way right to that big sea and check that out. And then, you know what, guys? Let's actually hold off on that big sea. Let's go check out those pink tuk-tuks. Since we already on this side, let's save some time. I'll walk through this market just to kind of show you what you can expect. I got fruits, got dried fruits over there. Thai food, delicious Thai food. We got some seafood, some shrimp, some cold Coke, soda, more food. A lot of food. Some juices. Sawadee-krap. Mango sticky rice. So it looks like they're working on something. Not sure what that's going to be, but or they're taking something down. Construction area. So let's go over there to those pink tuk-tuks and see what that is. Okay, so we were just walking on that glass hallway, and yeah, this is this giant empty space where a lot of times they, do performances such as concerts or shows, things like that. Let's check out those pink tuk-tuks. And over there is an Apple store. It's a very popular attraction apparently. It's this huge Apple store that people just love to take pictures of and walk around. We won't go in there today. So here we are, the pink tuk-tuks. Some kind of promotion for a new product. They're very funny looking. Look at this big guy. Nestle, kind of Nestle product drink. Yeah, guys. And there's the Apple store. Won't go inside, but yeah, you can see it from the outside. Pretty cool, huh? Yeah, look how huge this entire area is. All right. So what we're gonna do, actually, we're gonna change the script a little bit. We're gonna walk across that skywalk bridge. And we're gonna, instead of going all the way back, we're gonna go across the bridge, and then we'll walk on the street level instead of going all the way back, like I said. But let's do that. What is down here? Yeah, look how very well decorated this entire area is. Pretty cool. Alright, so let's make our way up here. Making our way up these stairs here. I like those the pink fuzzy tuk-tuks. That was cool. Okay, so we are crossing the bridge, and man, look at the view from here. Isn't that beautiful? That is just unreal. Let's make our way over to that big sea. Over there is the skywalk to the BTS stations. Okay, so our village, this is another mall. Let's make our way down here. Okay, so made it out of that bridge, and I am now on the street level on the way to Big C. And yeah, like I said, Gaysorn Mall, Gaysorn Town. It's a couple of different malls, which I will also make a video on. Maybe that would be my next video, so make sure and subscribe. Look how gigantic the Central World Mall looks from across the street. Wow, huge, man, huge. Right. Coffee, guys. I have just grown to love coffee so much. It's just super good, so amazing. Let's give this guy a chance. This tuk-tuk guy. We got the taxi guy. Looks like he's not gonna go, so I will go myself. Alright. There it is, the big city. I never use the buses here in Bangkok, but apparently, you know, not apparently, they are pretty affordable, but it comes with a price. Unfortunately, the traffic can be pretty bad here, so be careful when choosing to use transportation that involves being on the street, because you don't want to get stuck on the street when there's traffic congestion. I always choose to use train system, the BTS or MRT. Smart way to get around. So this is the Big C. Let's go inside and have a look, and then yeah, so you guys can see what the biggest Big C in Thailand has to offer. And right now the weather is windy, it might rain. Mini Big C. So here we are inside the biggest Big C in Thailand. So again, you have shopping. The bottom floor has a lot of shopping. So let's actually make our way to the second floor, which is my favorite floor. You'll see why. Big C. So we are making our way to the the second floor, and there's a third floor and a fourth floor also, but we're just gonna stay in the second floor. So it has just a whole bunch of snacks. Tourists, travelers come here to stock up on the snacks and everything. Yeah. And sometimes it's just so busy that it's hard to walk. It might look like a regular superstore to you right now, but trust me, it is huge. It is a huge superstore with everything you can think of. So yeah, they got all kinds of snacks. I don't want to do too much filming because I feel like people get bothered by it. So I'll just do a brief amount of filming and then get out of here. But an entire aisle dedicated to ramen. So yeah, they have a lot of snacks, dried mango. So if you want to stock up on Thai goodies and desserts and snacks, come to this big C. There's literally everything. Got fried street durian. You can even sample things. Alright guys, made it out of Big C. Now I'm making my way over to this other mall. But check out the view here. Look how much traffic there is. And just look at this amazing view of Central World. And over there, that big tower, there's a rooftop bar. So I've never been, but yeah, there's definitely a rooftop bar. It's very top rated, so if you're looking for a rooftop bar, that's your rooftop bar. Alright, we're gonna make our way over to this other mall for just a little bit and then we'll end the video. Just wanted to give you an idea of Big C and show you around this area. Hopefully I helped you out a little bit in this video, just to give you another idea of another thing you can check out while you're here. So there is another mall, Gaesorn Village, a series of malls, and I will make another video after this one about this mall, so stay tuned for that. Gaesorn Village. Well, alright guys, that's gonna do it for this video. I hope you liked it. Make sure to give it a like, leave a comment, what kind of videos do you want to see here in Bangkok, and yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.